Ever feel like your Microsoft Word documents just look a little, well, plain? You're in the right place. We're about to do a quick 3-tool tune-up that's going to transform any basic text into a really polished, professional-looking report. Let's jump right in. So you've spent hours, maybe even days, writing amazing content. But when you look at the document itself, it's just a wall of text, right? That first impression is so critical, and honestly, a messy or unstructured layout can make even the best ideas feel a little flat. But here's the good news. The fix is surprisingly easy. We're not talking about a major design overhaul here. We're just going to do a quick tune-up that'll give your document a clean, organized structure that immediately looks more professional. Okay, first things first. Every great report needs a great entrance, and that starts with a cover. This is the very first thing anyone is going to see. You know the saying, don't judge a book by its cover? Well, let's be real. People absolutely judge a report by its title page. It's that first handshake, and it sets a professional tone for everything that follows. And adding one is incredibly simple. You just head over to the Insert tab, click Cover Page, and pick a design you like. The best part is Word handles all the formatting. You just type in your title and name, and you're good to go. And you are definitely not stuck with just a few options. Word has a bunch of built-in designs to get you started. If you don't find one you love, you can actually grab even more from office.com. And you know what my favorite part is? It's not a permanent decision. If you don't like it, you can swap it or remove it with just one click. Super low stakes. All right, our cover page is looking great. So let's move on to tool number 2. This one is all about controlling the flow of your document and creating those nice, clean breaks between your big ideas. Oh man, we've all been there, right? You're hitting the Enter key over and over and over again just to push your next chapter heading onto a new page. A page break is the professional way to fix that. It's a clean, simple command that gives you total control over where a page ends and a new one begins. And it couldn't be easier to do. You literally just put your cursor right where you want the break to happen, say right before your Chapter 2 title. Go to that same Insert tab and click Page Break. That's it. One click and you've got perfect separation. Now, here's why this is so powerful. Once you put in that page break, that new section is locked to the top of its page. It doesn't matter if you add or delete text in the chapter before it, your layout stays perfect. It just automatically adjusts. No more reformatting everything. Okay, on to our third and final tool. This one is for those moments when you don't just want to move text you already have, but you realize you need to add a whole new empty space right in the middle of your document. This is your secret weapon for those oops moments during editing. You're reading along and you think, you know what, I need a full page chart right here. Or maybe you need to slot in an appendix. The blank page command gives you that clean slate instantly, exactly where you need it. Now, it's pretty easy to get these two mixed up, so let's make it super clear. A page break pushes your existing text down to the next page. A blank page adds a brand new, totally empty page right where your cursor is. So one moves what you have, and the other gives you new space to create something new. So let's bring it all together. With just those 3 simple tools, we've taken what might have been a flat wall of text and turned it into a document with a polished, professional structure that's ready to impress anyone. And here it is, your new 3-tool tune-up toolkit. You've got the cover page for that strong first impression, you have the page break to keep everything organized and flowing nicely, and you have the blank page for adding new stuff on the fly. These are really the building blocks for any great document layout. You know, the biggest takeaway here is that you don't need to be some kind of graphic designer to create really impressive documents. Professional level formatting is literally just a few clicks away. So the only question left is, what are you going to create first?